Hello and welcome to the first episode of the Ende 3 upgrade project. This is a new series where I will upgrade a stock Ende 3 and give an opinion about each upgrade. I was searching the web for used 3D printers because they often are cheap and easy to repair when I stumbled upon this Ende 3 base model. I paid $100 for this used 3D printer, which may not be the best price overall since it is dated and can have a lot of problems, but it's also a cheap way to start a new project where I can learn more about 3D printing. So I decided I'd go for it and bought a 3D printer. It came with all the tools, and as you see, the bed is slightly used, which indicates that the previous owner hasn't used the printer a lot. The previous owner told me he installed two upgrades. The first one are silicone spaces instead of springs to level the bed, and the second one is a 3D printed cover for the LCD display, which is printed in blue. Otherwise the printer is completely stock. I'll begin by installing the filament spool holder on top of the printer frame. I did not power up the printer yet, that part will come later in this video. I also did not see the printer working, so it's a guess if the printer is configured properly or even working at all. Now that it is installed, I'll plug in the SD card, which has three files: a CHEP Ende 3 bed level test and a bed level test print, and a benchy. All links to the files used can be found in the description of this video. Now it's time to power up the printer. Let me just get a power strip. Okay, so I turned the printer on and it did not catch any fire. That's always a good sign. It is very loud as the controller board is still original. Let me add a spool of filament. I'll be using dark green PLA from 123-3D.nl. I'll heat up the nozzle to insert the filament and I'll use the program to do that. Let's speed up the video a bit. Now the annoying part has come, the leveling of the bed. I am doing this with a sheet of paper without a BL touch or Creality touch, but this upgrade is planned in the future. Next up is printing the CHEP and3 bed level test print. This shouldn't take long, so let's see how this goes. The print has finished and I'm very impressed by the adhesion of the print. Everything sticks to the bed nicely, and if you look closely everything seems even. This took around 14 minutes total. I'll remove the print from the bed. This was very satisfying to do so, I must say. Time has come for the final test, which is printing the benchy. Now I have to mention that I forgot to turn off the supports in the slicer, so my apologies for that. While the benchy is printing, let's look at the planned upgrades for this printer in the future. These are all upgrades, and as you can see, they range from very small and cheap to expensive and big. In each new episode of the series there will be an upgrade of the list, explained, installed and tested. If there are upgrades which improve the print quality or speed directly, a new benchy will be printed. I am interested if the Ender3 with all these upgrades will be as good as other printers in the total price range that was invested. The benchy has finished. Let's pick it up and inspect the quality of the print. It was printed at 0.02mm layer height and took around 2 hours to print, which is not fast at all but was good for testing purposes. The print came out really good with no stringing or bubbles along the side, so I am happy with the results and also with the 3D printer. I hope you liked the first episode of the new series. It's something new I'm trying and any feedback is appreciated. Thank you for watching and goodbye.